Third bit, second problem. Find the circumcenter of the triangle whose sides are given by x plus y plus 2 equal to 0, 5x minus y minus 2 equal to 0, and x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. First, we can draw the triangle. The triangle, they have given the sides. One is x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. Let it be equation 1. And second one is 5x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. It is the second equation. Third one is x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. It is the third equation. Now solving of the 1 and 2, we are getting the A vertex. 2 and 3, we are getting the B vertex. 3 and 1, we are getting the C vertex. Circumcenter is this S is the circumcenter. Then we can, circumcenter means this center to A vertex distance, center to B vertex distance, center to C vertex distance are equal. That is nothing but we can take SA equal to SB and also SA equal to SC. If equating 3, then we should get the S center. Okay, the relation is, first of all, what we can find out vertices of the triangle. First, we can write the given equations are, first one is x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. Let it be equation 1. 5x minus y minus 2 equal to 0, second equation. And x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. It is the third equation. Solving equation 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. 5x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. Y is eliminated. 6x plus 2 minus 2 is 0. 6x equal to 0. Then x equal to 0. X equal to 0 value substitute in 1. Then 0 plus y plus 2 equal to 0. From this y equal to minus 2. Therefore, A vertex is equal to x comma y equal to 0 comma minus 2. This is the 0 comma minus 2. Next, solving the 2 and 3. Solving equation 2 and equation 3. Here 5x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. X minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. The second equation is multiplying with 2. Then it is 5 2s are 10x minus 2y, 2 2s are 4 equal to 0. X minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Subtract from one to another. The signs will change. Plus 2y minus 2y get cancelled. 9x minus 9 equal to 0. From this 9x equal to 9, x equal to 1. X equal to 1 value substitute in equation 2. So 5 into 1 minus y minus 2 equal to 0. 5 minus 2 is 3 minus y equal to 0. From this y equal to 3. Therefore, B vertex is equal to x comma y equal to 1 comma 3. This is B is 1 comma 3. Similarly, solving of equation 3 and 1. Solving equation 3 and 1. Third equation is x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. First equation is x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. X minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. X minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Subtract from one to another, minus plus minus. X get cancelled, 1y plus 2y is 3y minus 3 equal to 0. From this y equal to 3 by 3 is 1. Y equal to 1 value substitute in one equation. X plus 1 plus 2 equal to 0, x equal to minus 3. So C is equal to x comma y equal to minus 3 comma 1. Therefore, the vertices are A equal to B equal to C equal to. Here, A point is 0 comma minus 2. B point is 1 comma 3. C point is minus 3 comma 1. Now, let S equal to x comma y be the circumcenter of the triangle. So, the relation is SA equal to SB equal to SC. So, SA equal to under root of x minus 0 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square. Squaring on both sides, SA square equal to x square plus y square plus 2y plus 4 circumcenter. Okay. Here SB, similarly SB equal to under root of x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. From this, SB square equal to x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 6y plus 9. Now equating SC equal to under root of x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square. Squaring on both sides, SC square equal to x square plus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 2y plus 1. From this, it is equal to x square plus y square plus 2y plus 4. It is equal to x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 10. It is equal to x square plus y square plus 6x minus 2y plus 10. Let it be equation 4, 5, 6. Now we are taking the relation of circumcenter, that is SA square equal to SB square. X square plus y square plus 2y plus 4 equal to x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 10 equal to 10. Here x square y square get cancelled. These two terms are taking to left side, 2x plus 6y plus 2y equal to 10 minus 4. Is 2x plus 8y equal to 6. 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 3s are. The equation is x plus 4y equal to 3. It is the seventh equation. And the same relation, SB square equal to SC square. X square plus y square plus SB square is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 10 equal to x square plus y square plus 6x minus 2y plus 10. X square y square get cancelled. XY terms taking to left side, constants are taking to right side. Here plus 10 is also get cancelled. Here minus 2x minus 6y minus 6x plus 2y equal to 0. It's minus 8x minus 4y equal to 0. Minus 4 is taking common. 2x plus y equal to 0. So 2x plus y equal to 0 is the 8th equation. Now we can solve 7 and 8 equations. Solving 7 and 8 equations. X plus 4y equal to 3. 2x plus y equal to 0. It is multiply with 2. 2x plus 8y equal to 3 2s are 6. 2x plus y equal to 0. Subtract from one to another. 0, 7y equal to 6. Y equal to Just again you check the values. X minus 0, y plus 2. X minus SB is 0 comma minus 2, 1 comma 3, minus 3 comma 1. Okay, we did correct only, na? Once again we check it. Here x square plus y square plus 2 2s are 4y. It is 4y. X square minus 2x plus 1, 6y plus 9. X square plus 6x plus 9y square minus 2y. It's correct. Only here 4y. 4y means here 4y will come. Here 4y. 2x. This is 2x plus 6y plus 4y. 6x. 6x plus 6y. 4y. It's wrong. Now here we get the simplification is mistake. X square, y square get cancelled. Here 2x plus 6y plus 4y equal to 10 minus 4. Here 2x plus 10y equal to 6. 2 1s are 2 5s are 2 3s are. So x plus 5y equal to 3. So here the equation is x plus 5y equal to 3. It is 10y equal to 6. 9y equal to 6. This is 9y. From this y equal to 6 by 9. 3 2s are 3 3s are. 2 by 3 equal to y. So y equal to 2 by 3 value substitute in 8 equation. So 2x plus 2 by 3 equal to 0. So 2x equal to 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3. X equal to minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 2. 2 2 get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 1s are. Minus 1 by 3. Therefore, S equal to minus 1 by 3 comma 2 by 3 be the circumcenter of triangle. Third problem, find the equations of the straight line passing through the point 1 comma 1 and which are at distance of 3 units from minus 2 comma 3. Suppose this is a line. This line is passing through the point 1 comma 1 and this line perpendicular distance is 3 units from minus 2 comma 3. This is the meaning. The distance, the line equation L1 is perpendicular to another line L2 which has the distance is 3 units from the line to the point. Okay, from the distance of 3 units from minus 2 comma 3. Okay, minus 2 comma 3 means we can take it is also minus 2 comma 3 to that line distance is 3 units. Okay, that is the relation. This is a line passing through 1 comma 1 and one more point is from the point to that line distance is 3 units. The same line. Here the line is the same line for from the point to perpendicular distance and passing through the point. Here first we can take, let the given points are A equal to 1 comma 1, B equal to minus 2 comma 3 and distance distance from -2, 3 to line L is equal to 3 units. This is first find the equations of the straight line passing through 1, 1. The equation of the straight line passing through the point 1, 1 and having slope small m is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Here it is x1 y1 point. That is y minus 1 equal to m into x minus 1. Let it be equation 1. Now simplify this equation. Y minus 1 equal to mx minus m. Taking to this y minus 1 taking to right side, that is mx minus y plus 1 minus m equal to 0. It is the first equation. We can take it as first equation. Now the distance from -2, 3 to equation 1 is equal to 3 units. That is nothing but 3 units equal to -2 into m minus y is 3 plus 1 minus m modulus by under root of a square is m square, b square is minus 1 whole square. The distance formula is d is equal to modulus of a x1 plus b y1 plus c by under root of a square plus b square. So from that, squaring on both sides, at first we can simplify it. 3 equal to modulus of minus 2m minus 3 plus 1 minus m by under root of m square plus 1. It is equal to modulus of minus 3m minus 2 by under root of m square plus 1. Square cross multiply. 3 into under root of m square plus 1 is equal to 3m plus 2. Minus is common from the two terms and it is the modulus means this. Now squaring on both sides. 3 3s are 9. Square root to get cancelled. M square plus 1 is equal to 3m plus 2 whole square. 9m square plus 9 equal to 3 3s are 9m square plus 3 2s are 6m. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12m plus 2 2s are 4. 9m square get cancelled. 12m plus 4 minus 9 equal to 0. Here 12m minus 5 equal to 0, m equal to 5 by 12. Okay. Here one value m is equal to 0, another value is here m square is eliminated, that m square is 0 and one m is equal to 5 by 12. Here m square is 0 means m is also m into m. Zero by 1 m equal. Okay. M equal to 5 by 12 substitute in equation 1. Y minus 1 equal to 5 by 12 into x minus 1 cross multiply. 12 into y minus 1 equal to 5 into x minus 1. 12y minus 12 equal to 5x minus 5. Here 5x minus 12y plus 12 minus 5 equal to 0. 5x minus 12y plus 7 equal to 0 is the one line equation. And another line equation here, just we can taking here 9m square is cancel in both sides. That is m square is equal to 0 means m equal to m into m is equal to 0. So here m will be 0. Coefficient of m square equal to 0. In the above equation, m square coefficient is equal to 0. M square coefficient equal to 0 means m will be minus b by a. Minus b by a means here minus b by a. Minus b by a means minus 1 by m. Minus into minus plus equal to 0 in the equation of mx minus y plus 1 minus m equal to 0 in this equation. Here a equal to m, b equal to minus 1. If m square coefficient is equal to 0 means minus b by, here it is equal to, this is 0. That is m square is equal to coefficient is 0 means m equal to 1 by 0. M equal to 1 by 0, substitute in the equation y minus 1 equal to 1 by 0 into x minus 1. So 0 is cross multiply, x minus 1 equal to 0. It is the second equation. This is the first equation.